Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. Subscribe to our channel for more. 36 divided by 9 times 2 plus 2 in parentheses. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. Now 36 divided by 36 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. So according to the PEMDAS, in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first, not this multiplication and this division. If we do this multiplication and division first, it is wrong. So according to the PEMDAS, we have to start with this parenthesis. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's rewrite the expression. We have 36 divided by 9 times 4. In next step, we have one multiplication and one division, and as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we have to work from left to right. Now we have to start with this division. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. At the end we have 4 times 4, so the final answer is 16. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.